Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Fearless English Podcast. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Leo, I have a question. Do you like sitting in a classroom for 5 years to learn a language?
Oh, definitely not, Mia. That is too long. I want to speak now. I want to talk to people today.
Exactly, and that is the topic of our video. Today, we are telling you stop studying for years. Start speaking fearlessly today.
I love that. Fearless. It means you aren't afraid to make mistakes.
Right. We are going to teach you 7 very important phrases. These are phrasal verbs. Native speakers use them every day.
If you learn these 7, you will sound natural very fast. But before we start, please hit the subscribe button and give us a like. It helps our fearless community grow.
Okay, Leo, are you ready to help our listeners speak?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
So let's start in the first part of today's lesson. That is 7 very important phrases. Our first phrase is catch up. Catch up. Leo, what does that mean?
Catch up means to talk to a friend you haven't seen in a long time. You want to know their news.
I love catching up with you, Leo. Let's hear an example. Let's catch up soon.
Listen again. Let's catch up soon. Mia, if I haven't seen my sister in a month, can I say, I need to catch up with my sister?
Yes, perfect. It's friendly. Now let's look at the second one. Figure out. Figure out.
This one is very useful. It means to find a solution or to understand something difficult.
For example, I finally figured it out. Maybe a math problem or how to use a new phone.
Exactly. If English grammar is hard and then suddenly you understand, you say, I figured it out.
Great job. Let's move to number 3. This is very short. Hold on.
Hold on means to wait for a short time.
For example, hold on, I'm coming. Leo, do you say this when you are on the phone?
All the time. If someone knocks on my door while I'm on the phone, I say, hold on a second. It's very natural.
Let's repeat that for our listeners. Hold on. It means wait.
Number 4 is look into. Look into.
This sounds like looking inside a box, but it actually means to investigate or research something.
For example, I'll look into the price, maybe for a new car or a vacation.
Yes, if a student asks me a difficult question, I can say, I don't know the answer now, but I will look into it.
You are a great teacher, BM. You always look into things for us.
Thanks, Leo. You are improving so much. Now, number 5. This one is about being strong. Back down.
Back down means to stop defending your opinion. If you never back down, you are very firm.
For example, he never backs down. It means he stays strong in his argument.
Sometimes if I'm wrong, I should back down, but if I'm right, I stay fearless.
That's the spirit. Number 6 is one of my favorites. Run into.
Does that mean running into a wall?
No, laughs. It means to meet someone by chance. You didn't plan it.
For example, I ran into him at the cafe. I was just buying coffee and boom, there was my friend.
Exactly. Listen again. Run into. I ran into my teacher at the supermarket.
That is always a surprise. Okay, last one. Number 7, give in.
Give in means to stop fighting and finally agree to something.
For example, I finally gave in to her plan. Maybe your friend wanted to see a movie you didn't like.
Yes, I didn't want to go, but she asked many times, so I gave in. I said, okay.
These 7 phrases are so powerful, Mia. Let's say them one more time for everyone.
Good idea. Listen and repeat in your head. 1. Catch up. Talk to a friend. 2. Figure out. Find a solution. 3. Hold on. Wait. 4. Look into. Research. 5. Back down. Stop arguing. 6. Run into. Meet by chance. 7. Give in. Say okay.
Okay, now we can move second part of today's lesson. Mia, many people know these words, but they are still afraid to speak. Why?
It's because they're translating in their head. They think in their first language, then they try to change it to English. It's too slow.
So what is the fearless secret?
The secret is think small. Don't try to say a perfect, long sentence.
Give us an example.
Okay, if you are hungry, don't try to say, I am currently feeling quite hungry and would like to eat a sandwich. That is too hard.
What should I think instead?
Think hungry now or want sandwich.
Oh, that is so simple.
Yes, when you think hungry now, your brain is working in English, no translation.
I see. If I'm tired, I just think very tired.
Exactly. Do this for 5 minutes every day. Look at your coffee and think, hot coffee. Look at the rain and think, rain today.
That is a great tip. It makes English feel like a friend, not a difficult test.
Yes, native speakers don't use perfect grammar all the time either. We just want to communicate.
Let's try a small conversation using our new phrases and our simple thinking.
Okay, Leo, I'll start. Hey, Leo, I ran into Sarah yesterday.
Oh, really? I need to catch up with her. How is she?
She's good. She's trying to figure out her new job schedule.
I see. Hold on, is she working at the hospital now?
Yes, I'll look into her new address so we can visit her.
Great. I asked her to move to the city, but she didn't back down. She stayed in her small town.
Well, she finally gave in and bought a car to drive to the city.
Perfect. That felt so natural.
And did you notice? We used short sentences. We didn't use big, scary words. We were fearless.
Wow, Mia, I feel more confident already.
I hope our listeners do too. Remember, don't wait years to be perfect. Start today. Use mini English thoughts.
Let's recap our 7 phrases one last time. Catch up, figure out, hold on, look into, back down, run into, and give in.
You did a great job today. You are already improving.
Before we go, we want to hear from you. We want to build a connection with our fearless learners.
Here is our community question. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
For me, I think need coffee.
For me, I think sunny day or cold morning.
Tell us your answer in the comments. Write it in simple English, no translation.
Thank you for listening to the Fearless English podcast.
Stay brave, stay simple, and stay fearless. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.